Want some?
You've been eating a lot of pumpkin.
Very good source of vitamins and my friends.
You believe them?
Of course! I noticed some changes in me. Why? Ba't ka nakabantay? Dili na ako dali ma-stress, dili na ako dali masakitan. And I'm always
Always what?
happy! Duh! Come on, Gab! Try some pumpkin!
Don't treat me like a kid.
Baguhan lagi ko nimo. Nakay gusto yung sulti, no? Nakay gusto yung surprise, no? Surprise me, babe! Sige na! Surprise me, babe!
I hate you.
Wow! Of course! You hate me! You hate me at this hour of the day! See? What pumpkin can do? I'm still fine, even if you hate me! Want some?
Get with my nerves. Get into my life. You always get what you want.
Now, I am really surprised. We're serious, dida? Even if I don't want to be serious, but okay. Let's talk.
Do you love me?
Ikaw! Do you love me?
I don't know.
Now I am really surprised. Because you don't know. You don't know if you love me. You don't love me. But I'm okay with that. Any other surprises?
That's what I hate about you. Tanan lang pus komedya. Tanan lang pus binuang. Kat, why don't you take things seriously? Kasi karon lang.
How can I be serious if you tell me you don't love me? How can I be serious at this time of the day when we are supposed to celebrate our 3rd year anniversary? Sulti lang kung sa'yo mo gusto isulti. Let's not make it difficult for the both of us. Para sa tas ubang uyab dira, oh. Mag-away, mag-uli, mag-away, mag-uli. O, karon nga away ta. Mag-uli ta or magbuwag ta? Gab, do you really think that this is easy for me?
Oo. Ano na bitaw ka na? Nag-aaway na to. Daghan di kasuban mga tao para istorya itong mga problema. Na ako dapat musayaan, di ka makikistorya.
Gab, dili ko ganun makikistorya ni mo kay mahadlo ko nga di ka kasabot.
So you don't trust me? Kaya mas masalig pa kasi mong amigo-amiga.
Kapila na bito kumuduol ni mo para makikistorya? Pandoong pagani ko mosulti, imo na kong barawon. Ako pirmi ang sayo. And then you expect me to talk to you?
Yes! You have to talk to me. Dili kayo magsiyag doon sa bisang tao di ako ibalita itong problema.
At least ako mga friends, I find a consolation. Sila pirmi mo ingon nga, hold on. Wala kasabot, ana. Nga I should continue loving you. Gab, it's my obligation. Kay uyab di ka. Saan yung problema na to?
You know what? I've lost count sa 2 years na itong relasyon. Makapila na taming yan eh. Away magbalik. Away magbalik. I guess it's a high time that we choose another ending.
I guess you're right.
Somehow I couldn't find another ending. I want to start something new. but not without you.
Bakit?